I'm taking this award on behalf of US Bank and 200 plus talented people.
I wonder if you could describe what went behind the win a little bit, the kind of ingredients that led to this award.
I would kind of attribute it to three pieces. One is making the right strategic choices in terms of platforms and capabilities, and I think follow that up with a strong roadmap. I think it's about clarity and conviction. As I said, I think once you kind of make the right choices, and both in terms of capabilities and in terms of experiences that you want to drive, then it's about sticking to the plan and just kind of go through the ebbs and flows, and you'll be there. It's all about either test, learn, and scale fast, or test, learn, and fail fast. Both of those outcomes are good.
What does the future look like for your customers?
But if you want to forecast the next 10 years, I think it's going to be all about velocity of content, velocity of creative, right? And how personalized you can be, as well as real-time interactions. Like, you have so much data, how do we tap into the data to kind of drive the right experience for the customers? I think those three are ripe for disruption and scale and growth, in my view. And it's an exciting part of a journey to be in, whether you're a customer or a brand or a partner like Adobe.
You seem to enjoy what you do.
I do.
Can I ask why you do what you do?
I think it's my passion. I can spend hours and hours, in this case years, at the intersection of marketing and technology, and that's kind of where I lean in to kind of find solutions for business problems and customer problems. And it's even more rewarding when you're kind of working for a great brand like US Bank. We're trying to continue to try to deliver the best for the customers. High five.